severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Massac County, Illinois, southern Pope County, Illinois, southwestern Livingston County, Kentucky, northwestern Marshall County, Kentucky, northeastern Carlisle County, Kentucky, southeastern Ballard County, Kentucky, McCracken County, Kentucky, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lovelessville or 9 miles west of Lone Oak, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paducah, Metropolis, Calvert City, La Center, Reedland, Lone Oak, Brookport, Barkley Regional Airport, Ledbetter, West Paducah, Lovelessville, Keble, and Hamletsburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 31 and 38. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Massac and Pope, and the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard, Carlisle, Livingston, Marshall, and McCracken. Here are somewhat